Hey guys.
I know you like to have double food.
I'm going to put some money into the vending machine.
Here. Mommy, Daddy. What are you handing me for? I think I'm going to top it off.
There you have your soda. Oh, thanks for the soda. So I just built that vending machine with help from Pie Productions in 1999. He built it, I think, 6 years ago. Whoa. When I was 5, he built that. So thank you, Pie Productions, for that. He got his little soda, he got to put money on the ground. Sure, you probably know the mechanism from watching that video. Here's the mechanism. You have to put the soda on like this side, that side, and you squish the money in, and then it goes out. Well, you push the money in. Yeah. So, thanks for watching this video.